Ooh, what's up guys? Welcome back. I'm Mike, let's find it. This is my t-shirt printers. Let's do this. Ooh, okay, so we've got quite a few projects on the go this week, which is great. But it does mean that we're pretty busy. Let me just set you down here. So one of the first projects that we're going to dive into is these caps here, which is this design here. Now this 3D embroidery, wait till you see it. It's going to look really good. And then we've got some more caps to do for these particular caps here, which is this Chinese writing here. I think it's for a brand. Actually looks really neat. And then following that, we've got some screen print to do, which are these long sleeve screen prints. So that's going to be really cool. Let's do this. Because the purple one's a 3D embroidery, we've got to do ye old cutting of thy foam. Why I get so excited about embroidery like this one, and the reason is because, I'll show you in a second, because the width of these lines are perfect. So this sits between about 3 or 4 mils, that outer line. When I'm talking about the width of the line, I'm talking about the column width. So this side to that side is the column width. The column width of this big part over here, from here to here, is probably about 12 mils. So this is your maximum you can do for 3D embroidery, and this is just bordering on that minimum you can do. And because those lines just fit into those two areas, it just makes it an awesome embroidery. I mean, look at that. Think we should do some moody shots of this one? Yeah. Some moody shots of this guy too. Sure. For the first time ever, we're going to be finished a 3D embroidery on the XTS, on the EMT machine over here, rather than the XTS machine over here. That just never happens, ever. Last cap. Okay, so I finished with all of those caps. They're all done. Just going to switch everything off and then call it quits for today. Well, quits for today at the office. Go home to the home office and do some layouts. So I guess I'll catch you guys tomorrow. You guys have a good evening. See you later. Honey, I'm home. You're still here. So, how was your evening? Mine was long. There was a lot of layouts, a lot of digitizing. Here now, make a cup of coffee and get downstairs for that printing. Carry on. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is change the t-shirt boards onto the sleeve pallets, because we're going to print these long sleeve t-shirts, which are on one of these boxes down here. So we've got to print down the length of the sleeve, so that's why we're going to change the t-shirt boards onto the sleeve boards. Sleeve pallets, whatever you want to call them. We're going to change them around so that we can print the long length of the sleeve. Then we're going to put application tape on top of the boards as well so that we keep the boards nice and clean. Okay, let's get on with the job. The next thing I want to do is change this pallet tape on here to the longer one. At the moment I've just got it on the neck area and I've got to spread it out over the whole sleeve. What the tape does, it just keeps your pallets nice and clean from all the glue. So you put your glue on the pallet tape, once your pallet tape gets really glued and all the fabric sticks to it, while those other boards, that's why these boards look like they do. It's because all the glue basically pulls off all the fabric from the clothes, especially the hoodies. So you can see, we've been printing a lot of blue shirts lately. That's why it's so blue. So the pallets are all ready to go. Just got to switch on the flash unit over there. And then we can start actually printing these long sleeve t-shirts. What you gonna do with all that green? I'm gonna feed my monkeys with it. Just had to make sure that we put the screen on the right way around. The reason for this is because this is like a Chinese writing, and unfortunately I don't really know Chinese, so I wouldn't really know the top from the bottom. I don't know. So I get a little bit tired of getting my hands full of ink all the time. So when we're printing long sleeve t-shirts like this, you've got to thread the t-shirt onto the board through the neck and down the sleeve. If you have to do it in reverse, you'd probably end up stretching this part of the cuff. So it's not really the way to do it because you don't want to really stretch out the cuffs. So I grab my t-shirt by the neck like so, making sure you're printing on the right sleeve, and this one is actually the right sleeve, right hand side sleeve. So just feed it through, make sure it's nice and straight. Now how I make sure that it's nice and straight down the arm is I take it from the seam, which is this sort of seam over here. See that, the seam that comes from your neck down to your shoulder? That's, hip. So that's just how I make sure that it's basically going down the center of the arm, like that. Okay, let's print some shirts. Okay, so that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Really do appreciate you guys tuning in to my channel, watching it. Just remember to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I shall catch you on the next one. I'm out of here. Okay, you can come home.